Hello everyone, welcome to NeuralTensors. Today we're building a unique app that lets you analyze audio with the help of Google Gemini 1.5 Flash model. Imagine uploading an audio clip, asking a question about it, and getting instant answers like understanding the context of the conversation or identifying sounds. We'll walk you through everything step by step, covering the both core code and how to set up a user-friendly Streamlit interface. So let's get started. First, we go over the requirements. To run this app, you'll need Python, Jupyter Notebook, Streamlit, and Google's Gemini API, which requires an API key. In addition, we'll need the Python libraries google.generativeai, .env, and pathlib. Let's start by breaking down the core code in the Jupyter Notebook to understand how the Gemini 1.5 Flash model processes audio and answers questions. First, we import the necessary libraries google.generativeai to work with the Gemini model, path for handling the file paths, OS for accessing the environment variables, and .env to load our API key securely. Then we load our API key from a .env file. The .env library makes it easy to keep the sensitive data like API keys secure by loading them as environment variables. Next, we configure the Gemini API with genai.configure and create an instance of the model. In this example, we specify the path to our audio file and define a question we want to ask. Hey everyone, welcome to NeuralTensors. Today we are building an AI-powered image storytelling app. So here's a quick demo. For our demo, the question is describe the audio clip. To use the audio with the model, we upload the audio file using genai.upload file. Finally, we generate our response by passing both the uploaded audio and the question to the model.generate content and print the output. This response contains the model's answers based on the audio file's content. Now that we understand the core functionality, let's move to Streamlit to create a user-friendly web interface. To start, we import Streamlit and the same core libraries from our notebook. We initialize our environment and set up the Gemini model instance, just like before. We begin our Streamlit app by setting the title and a brief description. This will appear at the top of the app. Next, we add an audio file uploader using st.fileuploader, which allows users to upload their own audio files in MP3, WAV, or MPOA formats. We also add a text input field with st.textInput, so users can ask questions related to the audio file. Once the audio is uploaded, we save it temporarily, upload it to Gemini, and ask the model to generate a response based on the question. To give the feedback to the user while processing, we use st.spinner. Once we get the response, we display it directly below as the answer to their question. We also include a sidebar with a brief set of instructions for the users, making the app more user-friendly. And finally, we include a cleanup step to remove the temporary audio file after processing. And now that our code is ready, let's save it and launch the app with the Streamlit. With our app running, we can upload audio file, ask a question, and see the Gemini model analyze the audio to provide an answer. And there you have it, a complete audio Q&A app built with Streamlit, powered by Gemini Advanced Language Model. It's a versatile tool with endless possibilities, from analyzing podcasts to exploring audio archives. So if you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and turn on notification for more AI related videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.